Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Driving inshallah towards home. Winter driving, January 9th, 2020. Still I can say 2015-16. Time is just flying out. It can be the last day of my life. I'm driving towards like Trans-Canada Highway, because this is Highway 223. This one is very dangerous. Yeah, so right now I'm driving 20 kilometers per hour only. This is Highway 223. Inshallah, I'll take the ferry to get on to Trans-Canada Highway, the main highway of Canada, all over Canada. From this is our east coast, so like from east coast to west coast, inshallah. They did the plowing, but still there are snow. So there are snow. Under the snow there are ice. So it's not easy. And alhamdulillah, I have the best quality winter tire, Michelin. Still doesn't matter what you have. Even if I die on this road, nobody will know. Maybe the plowing guy will know, because he will see the snow went that way off. Alhamdulillah, sun just pop up little bit. Another snowstorm coming on Sunday. That is 12th of January. 3 snowstorm, one after one. A little narrow, and I have no choice. I have to drive very slowly. Here you can see the road, and on the top of the road you guys can see the ice. Now it's not possible to turn around. It's not possible to do any shortcut today. Usually the GPS asks to go back so that I can take the shorter way, but no way. It's not possible. It's not worthy to take risk. Inshallah. If I die with Iman, alhamdulillah, happy. But if I get disabled, nobody to take care. Parents, they have gone. Allah has already taken them. একেবারে যদি কেউ ভালোবাসতো আমার নয়ন দুটি জলে ভাসতো আর ভালোবাসতো এই জীবন তবু কিছু না কিছু পেত যদি এমন হতো একটি শ্রাবণ আমায় কাঁদিয়ে চলে যেত কিছু না কিছু পেত Allahu Akbar. Nothing is visible. Allahu Akbar. It's not seen to sing a song. It's without music. It's better to be happy rather than sad. Allah is Almighty. Alhamdulillah. We need to give thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala all the time. This is Highway 223 again. Little bit sun pop up, it's gone. This is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala Almighty. He can do whatever He wants. Few minutes ago there was sun, now gone. And right now it's summer in Australia, summer in South Africa, and winter in Canada, in Europe. Allahu Akbar. That is Allah, the Almighty. He can do whatever He wants. Maybe one of our employee. I think that is RJ. If Allah doesn't protect us, it's not possible for any of us to survive in this earth, even for a fraction of a second. It's not possible.
Perform a U-turn when possible.
Downhill. The ferry in the other side. Inshallah, I'll wait. Then the ferry will come.
In 150
We'll go by ferry,
meters,
inshallah.
continue straight.
The other side of the river, Trans-Canada Highway. It's very hard to explain to the people what we go through during the winter. The ferry is coming, inshallah. This is Canadian ferry. There are lots of current on this river, that's why it's not frozen. But this is just the beginning of January, so like in usually end of January and February, the water get frozen. And if there is current, then some portion, the bank of the river get frozen, not everywhere. Alhamdulillah, ferry is coming. So maybe nobody on the ferry from that side. We'll see, inshallah. It's a cable ferry. আমি তোরি সাথে ভাসতে পারি, মরণকে আয় একসাথে। হ্যাঁ, মরণ খেয়া। ভালোবাসলে ভালোবাসার মানুষের জন্য অনেক কিছুই করা যায়। Ferry in Nova Scotia. This is called Little Narrow Ferries. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm gonna be the only one. It came empty from that side.
Continue 71.5 kilometers.
So gonna be only one guy on the ferry.
Perform a U-turn when possible.
So very soon he is going to run the ferry, inshallah, to go to the other side. Then we'll hit on Trans-Canada Highway, inshallah. So the ferry is running, getting closer to the shore, inshallah. Soon I'll get off from the ferry. Then we have to drive about 4-5 kilometers before touching the Trans-Canada Highway, inshallah.
Perform a U-turn when possible.
The GPS wants me to go by the shortcut way, back road. Highway, that is Highway 223, but not possible. Today is Thursday, inshallah, leaving today. Alhamdulillah, I have 3 days weekend always. Friday I don't work, alhamdulillah, because of Jummah prayer. So inshallah we'll come back on Monday. Only Allah knows, because Sunday another snowstorm. This week Monday I couldn't come to office. Slippery. So very soon, inshallah, I will
Perform a
hit
U-turn when
Trans-Canada
possible.
Highway. Storm. This is snowstorm. It's very hard to see anything. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. This is a highway. But look at the roads. Can you see anything? Nothing, my friend, nothing. This is winter in Canada. Allahu Akbar. Even I don't know what I'm going through. Allahu Akbar. Driving only 20-25 kilometers per hour. You won't be able, like, still I get this slippery. Because under the snow already ice is formed. There's another property of our office, or the business, I should say. We have wood processor here, firewood processor, the peat, gravel, this.
Perform a U-turn when possible.
To come up to this point, that is about 6 kilometers. 6 kilometers I came so far. Within these 6 kilometers, it took 23 minutes to come 6 kilometers to drive. Allahu Akbar. Inshallah, this is Trans-Canada Highway. I will go on the highway now, inshallah. I will turn off the video now. Assalamu alaikum. Please make dua. Inshallah. If I'm alive, we'll see you in another video, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum. Fi amanillah.